Hello, sir. Excuse me?
Oh, hello. What can I help you?
So, sir, I wanna ask you for the direction of ICU room in this hospital. Can you tell me, sir?
Sure. ICU room in this hospital. You can go ahead until you find the canteen. After that, you turn the right, and there is the ICU room. Do you understand me, sir?
I understand. Thank you very much. What's your name, sir?
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. So my name is Dandi. So what is your name, Mister?
My name is Mr. Rahmat.
Okay, Mr. Rahmat.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Mr. Dandi. Thank you and see you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.